everybody, this is Bo Sanchez here with Edward Lee, and we just finished our Platinum Mastermind for Platinum members of the Truly Rich Club. So we're somewhere in the corner of the room, and the other members are here. You can hear probably their happy conversations. But I'm here with Chairman Edward Lee, our mentor in stock market investing here in the Truly Rich Club, to ask him each month. We ask him what's happening in the market, what's the view about it. Edward, thank you so much for joining us again.
Yes.
And then what's the word from you, from our mentor?
Well, I think the market is really way oversold, and you can see some signs. Indonesia is recovering already.
Wow.
Thailand, even with the political crisis, have started to creep up also.
Great.
So the Philippines is the only one that's lagging.
Wow.
Well, mainly because of our, it's more fun in the Philippines, so much money here. So the interest rates has not really gone up,
Yeah.
while the US is about almost 2.8, 2.9% already on the 10-year US Treasury.
Uh-huh.
So our problem here is that the Philippines, since there's so much liquidity, the
Yes.
10-year is still lagging. It's about 3.9, 3.8.
So that means the dollars from the States are not coming in.
Well, from the global perspective, investment is that we call it the carry trade. The carry
Yes.
trade is the 10-year treasury is from 1.6 to almost 3%.
Yes.
The Philippines is 3.6 to 3.8, 3.9.
Yes. Yeah.
So the differential is just too small between for
Yes.
the developed market and emerging market
Yeah.
10-year treasury, 10-year bonds. No?
Yeah.
So about 2 weeks ago, the BSP again issued a 4.1, 4.2 for
Yes.
a 10-year.
Yes.
But overnight, it was snap up.
Yeah.
So even though it's that low, people
Yeah.
are still just putting it in on the long-term interest rates.
That's
so
right.
That's one of the reasons why I think the peso is still depreciating.
Uh-huh.
Is because the interest rates is not high enough or lucrative enough
Yeah.
for people to deploy on
Yeah.
the long term.
Yeah.
So we see some pressure, a little bit of pressure. But I think the market, as far as the stock market is concerned, I think we're really way oversold. And we checked with April, our head of investment, and she was telling me that we adjusted already our risk-free rate
That's
from
right.
4 to 5%. And she really believes that 5% by the end of the year, 2014, it's 6,600.
All right.
Now, if
Wow.
oh no, sorry, it's for 5%, it's 6,009.
6,009.
Yes, for 5.5 risk-free, it's 6,006. So
Ah, okay.
We're clear for at least minimum.
Yeah.
At least below 6,900
Yeah.
should be our target.
Yeah. For the end of the year.
Yes,
So-
for 2014 end of
So,
the year.
so Edward is giving you a projection for the year. If you're going to invest every month using our strategic averaging method, our SAM method, every month, you see that at the end of the tunnel,
Yes.
there is light,
Yes.
and the bounty is there, the reward is there. So you've got to remain faithful.
Yes. Also, by 2000 this year, the earnings for the PSC composite is about 6.8% growth, but because we're coming from a high base last year, which is a double-digit
Yes.
increase in terms of earnings.
Yes.
But this year is 6.8. Next year for 2015, they're projecting another double digits, which is about
Wow.
15%.
Wow.
So I think
Yeah.
the best thing is really to continue to deploy and invest for the next couple of months,
Yes.
so that by end of 2014 or
Yeah.
second quarter of 2015, you will see some.
The huge jump.
That's right. That's right.
Okay. So Edward, let me ask again. So we're saying that for 2014, there will be growth, especially at the end.
Yes.
That's what we're projecting.
Yes.
And but the bigger growth will be 2015.
2015. Yes. That's
All right.
Yes.
So that's good news.
Yeah, that's good news. Yeah, don't worry about like I was explaining a while ago, right? In
Yes.
the world circle, and I was sharing with most people are afraid of the local news.
Yes.
Wherein the Philippines is Yolanda or the disaster that
Yes.
we see every day.
Yes.
Thailand, it's because of the political crisis. Indonesia is because of the current account trade deficit. What they don't understand is that these are just noise.
Yes.
But the real reason why the market has gone down for the Thailand, Indonesia, Philippines, which is tip, is because there is a movement to go to developed markets and sell the
Yes.
emerging markets.
That's right.
So that's why
That's
during
right.
the announcement of tapering about May,
Yes,
June, most
that's
of
right.
these, all the three markets have gone down. But
That's
of
right.
course, it's justified by different reasons.
Yeah.
Thailand is political.
Yeah.
Yeah. Indonesia is current
Yeah.
account deficit. Philippines is natural disaster.
Okay.
So I think these are just noise. And
That's
I think
right.
the market is already pricing in all these things already.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
So you heard that from Edward? Yes, it's true that they give all sorts of reasons for why the stock market went down. Yolanda perhaps and other natural calamities, but actually it's the pull out of the dollars from all the emerging markets, from the Philippines, from Thailand, from Indonesia, and so what we're going to see in this coming year is that perhaps a little sideways, Edward.
Well, you will see rallies.
We'll see rallies and sideways.
But, since we're more of a long-term investor, so you have to continue to deploy.
Yeah.
And so that you will be benefit once the market starts going up in 2015-16.
So close your ears in the sense that, or ignore the noise. That's all noise. What you want to do is get that amount that you have from your income and start investing in the stock market every single month. Ignore the noise, keep on doing it, and then by the end of after a few months, the end of the year, especially next year, you're gonna say, wow, I thank God I followed the Truly Rich Club. I followed Edward, our mentor here, and thank you, Edward. Thank you so much. God bless you.